Now XRP is the cryptocurrency coin of Ripple, and Ripple are a fantastic payments cryptocurrency system. Really is one of the best out there, but, and there is a big but, for those that haven't been watching the news, then they are in a battle with the SEC regulatory body in the States, and this has been going on for some time now. It's a battle they could possibly win, but just this week the lawyer for XRP came out saying he thought it might not conclude until the end of 2023. Now that's a long time in the world of cryptocurrency, and a lot of new competitors to XRP can come along in the meantime. That puts their whole idea in doubt, and all of that negativity has sent the prices lower. So are the SEC, by elongating out this legal battle, actually finishing off XRP, creating a death by 1,000 cuts? Well, obviously time will tell, but it's not looking great at the moment. So I'm going to have a look at the technical analysis to find out some levels, see where that price might be heading next, and if you are bearish of XRP, how do you trade it? How do you go short? Well, I'll show you that as well. So with that, let's get on with the analysis. Now you can see XRP shooting up into the middle of 2021, up nearly 621% on the weekly line chart, and then that big pullback of nearly 60% to where we are today. Now interestingly, there's that pink triangle pattern on there. Now if it can break to the upside, that's around that sort of 0.8 area, then the bulls might be back playing in the game. And really though, it's looking more likely that it's going to hit the underside of that triangle and move downwards under the 0.6 area into sort of that noise around 0.4 first. But you can see, peaked firstly around 2021 a couple of times, so that could be the next zone for down move. But at the moment, that trend certainly not looking good for XRP. A minor price values created a bearish pullback reversal situation for us on the 4-line break chart. Numbers for you: 0.635 and 0.595 to the downside if you are bearish, so something to think about. So I want to see the daily high Kinashi chart and our signals, the two lines at the bottom, both bearish. Volume and volatility also sort of weakening off, going a bit more quiet of late, but still I would say weak bearish. Heading on to the price, we've got that triangle pattern there that nicely outlines a possible break to the upside, and it's getting towards crunch time sooner or later in which direction it's going to move. But the downside again more probable, but we can see quite a bit of noise around that 0.66 sort of area historically, where prices bounced and found some support. So if it breaks, it's going to be significant, and we'll probably be looking at the 0.4 0.2 zones. But overall at the moment, it's a bearish picture on the daily high Kinashi. Very similar story on the Renko chart, where I've used a 0.04 block size. All our signals are bearish. Shorter term triangle pattern on here, creating a possible breakdown to the south, and we'll be targeting sort of areas around that key sort of 0.4 to 0.2 area to start with. Now the upside, it's got to get a long way up around that 61.8% Fibonacci line, just above 1, where it's still in no man's land until it breaks the top of that triangle pattern, and then 1.38, 1.6, 1.9 could be possible upsides. Now if you wanted to trade XRP to the downside, i.e. you're going short, how could you? Well, I had a look inside my Binance Futures account, and it was sitting there, XRP USDT, ready to trade. No problems going short if your viewpoint is that you think it's going to get to that 0.2, 0.4 area. I'll put a link in the description below this if you want to check out the Binance Futures setup. So a score for XRP then, based off the technical analysis, I'm going bearish. We've got a couple of bearish entry points off the 4-line break chart on the top right for you. Heikin-Ashi Renko both pretty much bearish. Some downside targets for you, bringing a risk return of 1.1 and 1.85 to 1. Upsides 1.02 and 2.19 to 1. But at the moment, technically speaking, it's all looking very bearish. So it's not looking too great for XRP at the moment. Are the SEC going to finish them off through a process of stalemate? Well, we will see. It's not looking good though, like I say. Let me know in the comments below where you think XRP is heading next. Can it recover from this? Can it sort out its legal situation quick enough to still take advantage of the market for those payment systems? Like I say, love to hear from you. Want to talk in more detail, get the discussion going in depth, then join us in our free traders club on Discord. I'll put the link in the description below for you to follow if you're interested in joining. Like I say, anyone welcome, all totally free as well. If you like today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell buttons. And all that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, good luck with the trading, and I'll see you in the next video.